Hey everybody, Anthony here, FSU Off-Road. Welcome back to another video. Got a little surprise for you today. We're changing it up, and instead of working on our new race Jeep, we're gonna take the old race Jeep for a little fun at Adventure Off-Road Park. So sit back, go grab you a cold snack, and enjoy the vlog. What is up? We are here at the beautiful Adventure Off-Road Park in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, here for the qualifying for tomorrow's race.
Sounds like we're going to be heading to the start line here just any moment, and we are about to get this kicked off. JT Taylor's giving him the 5 count. So we are live racing. First off the line is Mr. Cody Luss, number 4601, out of Archdale, North Carolina, running his Jeep with Mickey Thompson tires, Method race wheels, and Radflow shocks.
And we're going to have camera crews all over the qualifying course. Also, there are 2 different drones that will be up as well. So we'll be giving the best coverage that we can give you out here at the Adventure Off-Road Park.
And then up next will be Jackson Kunkel. So they're heading up that first little rock section I was telling you about. Again, this is a 0.43 mile loop for qualifying for tomorrow's big race. So this is a stock Jeep with 35-inch tires, factory transmission, factory engine, single shock per corner, mechanical steering, stock frame, but you can stretch the wheelbase a little bit. It has to be within 3 inches of factory. Here's that little drop section. This is a super steep little section. This is going to be tough for the stock class and the UTVs. The UTVs are definitely a little more nimble, but they'll struggle here a little bit. This is, like I said, about a 5-foot drop. You can see them getting a little wheel stand there.
And don't forget, we also have the stock sportsman class.
Yep, but they can run a bigger tire.
Yes, they can.
There's Benji there watching the step down there.
Oh, you can see Mr. Paul Wolf off to the side there doing his homework.
Yeah, a lot of these drivers are out there watching the qualifying course because it obviously changes after every time they come off. So off the line next.
4626 of Jackson Kunkel.
Out of Haslett, Texas, with Lone Star Racing in a 1990 Jeep Cherokee with a stock 4-liter AW4 transmission, Rubicon transfer case, Curry Rock Jock axles, carbon shocks, Maxxis, and race line. So we'll get a time for Cody here in just a moment.
Cody's time was a 3:01.292.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I make a change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off the risk, gonna make a name. I just wanna be famous.
This is just pit road. They just qualified, everybody just qualified, and everything's ready to go for tomorrow. So I'm gonna get all the footage I can for you tomorrow of the race and bring it to you full force. It's race morning here. It's about 7:20. They take off the line at 8 o'clock. So just doing some final prep here on everything, and we're gonna be hitting the track. Make sure you got some onboard footage and the starting line, and hopefully the finish line and podium box. We'll see.
Ready, go.
Good morning and welcome to the 4-Wheel Parts Teardown in Tennessee at the Adventure Off-Road Park. I am Miles Hasquist alongside Mrs. Pam Hall, and we are about to get this party started.
Yes, we are. The race cars are already lining up out there. We can hear the motors running. Super excited for the day.
Hey, remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
See what happened was, Cole hit Roddy hit the wall, and now we're in the lead.
kicking off the 4600 Spider Track stock class as we speak. So John Schaefer out of Birmingham, Alabama with RPM Extreme. He's in a Savvy built 2015 Jeep JK. Stock drivetrain, Curry axles, ADS Falcon, Raceline, Sparco, RPM Extreme.
And then next off the line, in the 21st position, the 4626 of Jackson People.
Out of Haslett, Texas with Lone Star Racing. He's in a 1990 Jeep Cherokee stock 4-liter AW4 transmission, Rubicon T-case, Curry and Rock Jock axles, carbon chocks, Maxxis, and Raceline.
Next off the line was the 4642 of Adam Collin.
Out of Latham, New York with Rock Crawler Racing. He's in a 2004 Jeep LJ, Curry axles, Yukon, Nitto, Dirty Life, and Rock Crawler suspension.
And in that 23rd position, next up will be the 4601 of Cody Lusk.
Out of Archdale, North Carolina. He's in a Jeep-based buggy, Mickey Thompson tires, Method, and Radflow.
All right, and then in that 24th position, we will have the 4681 of Mick Henson.
Out of Tahlequah, Oklahoma with Henson Racing. He's in a 1981 Toyota pickup, 22RE on propane, running King shocks and BFG tires.
All right, the guys are off the line. Wish them the best of luck out there. My heart's pumping for them. I know the work and the dedication it took to get it here today. So, good luck, fellas. We'll see you on the flip side.
I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate it, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
It's definitely already taken a toll on the cars
Yeah,
already.
we've been talking about that. Attrition is going to be huge today. Tires are going to be huge. And just like we were talking about these trees, when you're pushing that hard, there is going to be dust back in the woods. And I think they're going to be pushing a little hard. And it's going to be interesting. This is a no-chase race, so only fellow drivers or MAO Ultra 4 AOP crew can help. And it looks like we got Buddy Carlton in there and Evan Sherman in the Amsoil Hot Pits. And let's give a huge shout-out to all of our official sponsors of Ultra 4. We have Can-Am, Ford, Bronco, Monster Energy, Optima Batteries, 4-Wheel Parts, Progressive, Holly EFI, Lasernut, Griffin Race Radiators, VP Racing Fuels, Nitto, King Shocks, King of the Hammers, Spider Tracks, Recaro Seats, Baja Jerky, PCI Race Radios, Axial RC, Method Race Wheels, Amsoil, Off the Grid Clothing, MBRP, Yukon Gear and Axle, HCR, Warn, Factor 55, ARB, Rigid, Brannick Motorsports, Tread Lightly, and Action Sports Canopy. And then some of our other helpful sponsors that help along the way are Ultimax, Mid-America Outdoors, the Off-Road Syndicate, and 360 Wraps. So please support who supports the sport. Without all these wonderful partners, we would not be racing here for the 4-Wheel Parts Teardown in Tennessee
We got
today.
time. Dang, Cody, you gonna go that slow? Give that thing some gas.
I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Well, it's been a great day of racing, but like I said, we're pulling double duty today. We've never tried this before, so bear with us. We're going to try to send it to Mid-America there in Jay, Oklahoma. I believe Matt and Joey are running the side-by-side champion series. Let's see what happens.
Got it. Got it. Congratulations, man. You deserve a free. Yeah. All right, we're walking up here. Got Pierman, aka crew chief / car chief. Put a lot of time and effort into the car as well, and looks like we're going to take a podium finish. So we're not mad about it at all.
But who is going to round off the podium is going to be the question.
What a great race it's been. And tires are an issue. Trees are an issue. The course is an issue.
The rocks are an issue.
I'm super stoked to see the rest of this day unfold in front of us. I love the short course stuff, don't get me wrong, but this out in the woods with all the trees, all the rocks is absolutely amazing. And look right, I guess which shoulder.
Oh, you can see that is Evan Sherman. Right.
So right over my shoulder, right? There it is.
There.
I'm not a weatherman.
I definitely couldn't do this backwards thing.
Yeah, Evan Sherman with a great run, and like I said, on adjusted time, I believe Evan Sherman just tied this up. So it looks like Pam Hall, it's going to be your show. Take it away.
Rider track stock class. I love this class. I would love to get a car myself to do this. But in the third position, we have Cody Lusk out there. Great day of racing. A couple words sum it up for us out there on course.
It was rough. And today was actually the first time I've actually got any seat time behind this rig at all. Last year I was co-driver, so it was different learning experience.
Well, I have to say you did pretty good. You're up here on the podium.
That was all my co-driver there.
Yeah, you do have to give them credit for sure, helping you get through those rocks and everything. But who would you like to thank for getting you up here on the podium today?
First, I would like to thank the family and friends that got us here and helped us out. I'd like to thank my co-driver with Digging Deeper, Warren Winch, Method Race Wheels, Radflow Shocks, Barnes Off-Road. I'd like to thank everybody.
Are you ready for the next one?
We'll see. We got to do some wrenching to see if we can make it to the next one.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on that number 3. Are you going to stick around and watch the rest of the racing?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Well, congratulations.
All right. Well, that's going to conclude our race day here. As you saw, we took third. And I say we, but really the guys took third. They did a great job. They kept the Jeep together. Just one flat today. Flats was a big issue today. Huge shout out to all of our sponsors. Huge shout out Digging Deeper Racing, co-driving, and yeah, that's going to conclude our video here. I hope you guys like what you saw. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.